Hello students, how are you? I think you must be fine. Today I am going to discuss about trigonometric identities part 2. Part 1 which I have done already in previous video. I give the link in description box. Students who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe Icon Academy Basdoni. In my previous video, I broadly discussed about identity. Now I solve some questions which have come in previous years ICSE. Let's start. Tan square theta by sec theta minus 1 whole square equal to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. These have to prove 2012. Now I write this portion left hand side L H S equal to tan square theta by sec theta minus 1 whole square equal to what? Right hand side cos theta. Then I convert tan square theta into sin cos. You know tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So sin square theta by cos square theta. And sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta minus 1 whole square equal to sin square theta by cos square theta by eta LCM cos theta 1 minus cos theta whole square equal to sin square theta by cos square theta 1 minus cos theta whole square by cos square theta equal to here sin square theta by cos square theta into cos square theta by 1 minus cos theta whole square. Here cos theta equal to sin square theta by 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now write right hand side RHS equal to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now what we can do to prove this? Here see what sin square theta. Here 1 plus cos theta. I multiply numerator and denominator. 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. I multiply 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. This step is very important. Equal to a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square means 1 minus cos square theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. How? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We know it by 1 minus cos theta whole square. See, left hand side here sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta, right hand side sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. So we proved LHS equal to RHS. Now find the value of sin square 34 degree plus sin square 56 degree plus 2 into tan 18 degree into tan 72 degree minus cot square 30 degree. First, here see 34 degree and 56 degree. They are complementary angle. So we convert either 34 or 56. And here see 18 and 72 degree. They are complementary angle. So we can change either 18 degree or 72 degree. Here I change 56 degree. So I write sin square 34 degree plus sin square 90 degree minus 34 plus here 90 degree minus 34 degree equal to 56 degree and 2 into tan 18 degree tan. Instead of 72 degree I write 90 minus 18 degree minus cot square 30 degree equal to sin square 34 degree plus, here see, you learn in class 9 sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. Sin 90 degree minus 34 degree. Sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. You learn class 9 trigonometrical ratios of complementary angle. Here cos square 34 degree plus 2 into tan 18 degree, tan 90 degree minus theta cot theta into cot 18 degree minus cot square 30 degree. Here what sin square theta plus cos square theta, you know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square 34 degree plus cos square 34 degree equal to 1 plus 2 into here tan theta cot theta equal to 1, 2 into 1 minus cot square 30 degree. The special angles cot square 30 degree, here root 3 whole square. Value of cot 30 degree root 3 whole square equal to 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Students, I have two videos for standard 9 on trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles and standard angles. You may watch this video. Students, it always mind that if you memorize the formulas of this chapter, then you solve the question easily. Now, square root 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a equal to sin a by 1 plus cos a, it had to prove. It had come in 2013. Now, let's start. Left hand side, square root 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. Here, then what right hand side sin a means, so we multiply 1 plus cos a, both the numerator and denominator. I write first the 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a multiply 1 plus cos a. numerator and denominator. Cosine. This step is very important. Why 1 plus cos A multiplied? Here A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square, then 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. So here what? Sin A. So I write here 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A equal to 1 minus cos square A by 1 plus cos A whole square equal to 1 minus cos square A equal to square root sin square A. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin A by 1 plus cos A whole square equal to square root sin square A means sin A by 1 plus cos A. What? This is right hand side equal to RHS. Proved. Now solve another question. Prove that cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into sec square A equal to tan A, which had come in 2011. Now write first left hand side. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into sec square A. First, convert these into sin and cos. Cosec A equal to 1 by sin A, you know it, minus sin A. Sec A 1 by cos A minus cos A sec square A equal to LCM sin A 1 minus sin square A into cos A 1 minus cos square A sec square A. 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A equal to sin square A by cos A into sec A 1 by sec square A equal to 1 by cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Here sin A and sin square A, sin A. Sin A by cos A. Equal to sin A by cos A, we know tan A. Here right hand side equal to student, always remember, when you memorize the formulas of this chapter, then you solve the questions easily and quickly. Student, comments of our videos are disabled because when I enable comments, then YouTube channel behaves abnormally. If you want to know anything or want to comment, you must follow my Facebook page. Then you comment there. I must reply to you there. Thanks for watching.